Great, thank you. Welcome back. I hope you've been well. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your support. I'm going to keep doing my best to give you the best video possible here. Just a quick reminder, please watch me on Discovery Plus, Fright Club, Phantom Photobomb. I'm the second story. I'm the guy at the beach here. Please leave comments and let's go to the next. Okay, great. Welcome back. October 1, video 006. We got a flock of birds, maybe 20, 30 of them. And look at this drone, this UFO drone, this dragon coming off the ground. We've got the interpolation here. Just a rare shot because we don't really get that many birds, and you certainly don't get a flock of birds. So when we do, I like to record them, and most of the time when they do fly by, I know they're going to get tagged, and that's what this interpolation is. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, what we got here is an interpolation. A buddy, I told him about these drones. I told him when you see these choppers, just turn your phone on, and that's what he did. This was he was in Long Beach, California. That's a police chopper, the LAPD. He flew over, and just like my video, here he is. He's standing in Long Beach, and there's the interpolation. And he's done this already 3 times. So just FYI, you guys can do this if you want. Let's go to the next. Okay, great. What we have here is the police department flare camera. Nice big monitor in their chopper. So this is what they see. This is what they use to look for these drones. And again, they look like tracer bullets flying around. Nice camera. Looking forward to getting a hold of one and showing you that video. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, great. May 30th, image 552. Check this out. Zigzag video. This vertical drone going straight up, making an emergency U-turn. Can you imagine 1,700 miles an hour, you just make a U-turn like that? Incomprehensible. I can only imagine what the G-forces are. Hundreds, right? What are we looking at? There's a message. They're telling us something. Most likely they're telling us how they travel. What does that look like to you? Doesn't that look like an inverted wormhole depiction by scientists whenever they draw wormholes on chalkboards? It's the other way around, but yeah, that's to me, that's what that is. And I think they're trying to tell us that's what we do, that's how we fly, that's how we get here. Tell me what you think. Maybe I'm wrong. Tell me what you think. Let's go to the next. Okay, great. Blue Angels. Yes, I thought you figured that out. We got the Blue Angels here. Orange County, and look what's get tags. Look what flies by the Blue Angels. Like I mentioned before, the easiest way to find these drones, just look for military air shows. Start with the Blue Angels because those are your best odds. Yeah, this was like last month. Pretty amazing, right? I enjoy it. I like this. Great interpolation. Let's go to the next. All right, you've seen this before. The fire department coming in with their big chopper. He gets tagged. Pretty simple. And they love tagging the fire department. And of course, the fire department here, because of their flare cameras, they can see these things. Of course, the pilot did not see it because it is behind him. But nevertheless, it's great video. I always enjoy it when they fly by. Let's go to the next. Wonderful. Here we go. The Blue Angels, Orange County, last month, August. Yeah, gets tagged by a dragon, aka UFO drone. Now that jet's got to be going right at least 300 miles an hour, right? Look what that dragon just came up on him and took off. It's just mind-boggling, right? I just thought you'd get a kick out of that, and I hope you enjoy it as I do. Let's go to the next. Great, here we go again. Same location, Orange County, Huntington Beach, California, August 2021. Blue Angel gets tagged, interpolation. That was hard to find too. I had to go through a lot of video. I had to work for this one, but nevertheless, it's the easiest place to find them. Yeah, just pull up your own video. You could record this or you could find them yourselves on YouTube. Easy to do. Always ask if you have questions, comments. Please just ask. I'll do my best to answer. Let's go to the next. Great, thank you. What we have here is the Paracel getting tagged. Clear day. Got an orange Paracel for Halloween. I thought you'd enjoy that. Okay, great. I wanted to show you the last interpolation of the Blue Angels. Same location, August, Orange County. Again, what do you think they're cruising at? About 300 miles an hour, more or less 250 to 350. Look at these drones. Look at these UFO drones, aka dragons. Just incredible, amazing speeds. You never get tired of looking at it. So I just wanted to share that with you. All right, let's go to the next. Now, also on the next video, I want to share with you, I'm trying a new experiment. And the theory is these drones, in my opinion, of course, that they're running on electricity, which means they're giving off gamma rays, microwave, radio waves. So if they are giving off microwaves, almost in theory, you should be able to detect them with a detector. So the easiest way I can try this experiment is with a car radar detector, the kind that beep, K-band, X-band, etc. So I've only just started. I can't draw any conclusions, but check out this next video. Tell me what you think. It's still going to take several months before I can decide if this is a yes or a no. But let's check out the next video.
KA band.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that?
KA band.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? Okay, great. Thank you. So that radar, I hope you enjoyed that detector. Tell me what you think. Am I on something? I'm going to do my best to find more like that. It's a little tricky. I want to get different brands of radar detectors. Some are better than others. So again, please remember to check me out on Discovery Plus, to like, subscribe, comment on Instagram, Custodian Files, and you can email me if you like at custodianfile@gmail.com. All right, until then, stay safe. And again, thank you for all your support, appreciation, your good energy. I appreciate it. Be well. Bye-bye.